Beating fear. The synergy of motivation and routines in personal growth and wisdom. Motivation and routines are two vital components that contribute significantly to personal growth and wisdom, yet their roles often remain blurred or misconstrued. This essay delves into the synergy between motivation and routines, providing practical insights for individuals seeking to conquer fear and cultivate wiser decision-making. Understanding motivation. Motivation serves as the driving force that propels an individual towards achieving a specific goal. It is the spark that ignites action and the fuel that sustains it. Locke Latham, 2006. Research by Locke and Latham found that high levels of motivation significantly improve performance in various domains, including academic, sports, and business settings. Motivation, when harnessed effectively, can help individuals overcome fear and embark on the path of personal growth and wisdom. The role of routines. Routines provide structure to our lives, turning abstract goals into manageable tasks. Duhigg, 2012. They are the habits that we repeatedly engage in, which over time become second nature. Duhigg's study on habit formation revealed that individuals who established routines were more likely to achieve their goals and maintain long-term success. Routines offer a practical framework for translating motivation into action, thereby reducing fear and fostering personal growth. The synergy of motivation and routines. When motivation and routines intersect, they form a potent force that propels individuals towards their goals while mitigating fear. This synergy is essential for personal growth and wisdom. A study by Gulwitzer 1990 found that individuals who combined high levels of motivation with specific implementation intentions routines were more likely to achieve their goals than those with motivation alone. The synergy between motivation and routines allows individuals to consistently take action, reducing fear and facilitating personal growth and wisdom. Beating fear through motivation and routines. To beat fear, practitioners should focus on developing both motivation and routines. This approach will provide a robust framework for tackling challenges and fostering personal growth. A case study by Tinsley et al. 2013 found that individuals who combined high levels of motivation with specific routines were more likely to overcome fear and achieve their goals in the context of public speaking. By focusing on both motivation and routines, practitioners can conquer fear and embark on a path of personal growth and wisdom. Cultivating motivation. Cultivating motivation involves setting clear, achievable goals, identifying the benefits associated with those goals, and maintaining a positive mindset. Locke Latham, 2006. Research by Locke and Latham found that individuals who set specific, challenging, and attainable goals were more motivated and achieved higher levels of performance. By setting clear, achievable goals, practitioners can cultivate the motivation necessary to overcome fear and embark on a path of personal growth and wisdom. Establishing routines. Establishing routines involves identifying specific actions that contribute to goal achievement, scheduling those actions, and consistently performing them. Duhigg, 2012. Duhigg's study on habit formation revealed that individuals who established specific routines were more likely to achieve their goals and maintain long-term success. By establishing specific routines, practitioners can provide a practical framework for translating motivation into action, thereby reducing fear and facilitating personal growth and wisdom. Conclusion. Beating fear requires a synergistic approach that combines high levels of motivation with the establishment of specific routines. This approach,